Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using these two bundles. These are tape-in extensions. This is how they look. They have tapes. Excuse my nails. So this is how the tape-in extensions look like. So I have one in the color 4 rather, sorry. So this is in the color 4. This is 14 inches in length and it's 100 grams, so it's quite a lot. Yeah, this is how the hair looks like. It's in the texture Yaki straight, so it's good for mimicking relaxed hair. That is why I picked this up. And then I have one in the length 16 inches. This is also the tape-in extensions, 100 grams, and it comes in the color number 2. The purpose for these tape-in extensions is I already have volume in my hair, as you can see, but I want to add some length so that I can be able to put my hair in a ponytail. I can leave it out and all that good stuff. So that is why I picked these tape-in extensions. So they are also great because you can choose a variety of colors and it can add a pop of color to your already existing hair, so you don't have to dye your hair. You can just buy the tape-in extensions. The other reason as to why I love the tape-in extensions is they are very, as you can see, they are very, do we say malleable? You see, they can twist, so when you put them in your hair, they're not like clip-in extensions which have the clips, so they are comfortable to sleep in, and they last majorly 8 to 10 weeks depending on how you keep up with them. Yeah, so my hair I've just washed it and I've straightened it and a little bit of flat iron, so this is how it's looking. It is available on Hailey's Hair. It's available on pre-order. So yeah, if you'd like to use tape-in extensions, kindly reach out to the page. So let's head on to the video. I'm going to begin with the number 2 16-inch, and I'm going to put this as the top sandwich because tape-in extensions, they sandwich them together so that they can stick to your hair. So I'm going to begin with the number 2 and it's going to be on top, and then I'm going to be putting the second sandwich as this colored one. So it will be this one and this one sandwiched together, this on top, the number 2 on top, and the colored one underneath the number 2. All right, so I'm going to begin with behind, of course, behind my hair, and work my way up as you go. So let's get started. So first I'm going to divide a big chunk underneath so that when I want to like hold my hair up, the extensions are not going to be visible. So that is why I'm going to leave a little bit of hair underneath here. So I think this is good enough. I think this is good enough hair being left. So I think I'm going to begin with, so don't mind my parting. If my parting is not straight, I can't be able to see myself back there, but I hope all will be well. So let me just clip my hair. This is how my first extension looks like. This is how the tape looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the tape, just basically remove this, and there you have the glue. So this is what I'm going to attach to my upper side. what I've been able to do. I know I look hideous right now. You're wondering, like, is my head okay? But trust me, trust the process. We trust the process. So basically, I've been doing the same repetitive thing, just sandwiching my hair between the extension. So if you hadn't seen a closer look, let me do a closer look right now. So once I part my hair like this, just an example, I put my tape almost at the beginning of where the hair begins growing. So I do that, and then I lift it up. When you lift it up, it's going to lift a little bit of hair that it has gotten attached to, like that. So you don't want to sandwich a lot of hair because it's going to be bulky. So you see, this is how it looks like right now. So I'm going to take the other piece of the number 4. I remove the tape, and then I attach it. So once it's attached, it becomes one sandwich. So basically this is what I've been doing for my entire head. This is how it's looking. So if I drop my hair, you see, this needs to be attached to some more extensions. So this is how it's looking. I still have a lot of extensions left. The good thing is I can be able also to put my hair up in a ponytail. Let me just show you a little bit. And it's not pulling on my hair at all, and it's quite light. So as you can see, you cannot see any extensions. This, of course, I'm going to be able to cover it up when I put my hair up. So let me finish this part and then I'll be right back. So this is how my hair is looking currently. There are still a lot of extensions left, but I feel right now I don't want to add any more. So since my hair is really short, as you can see, my hair is like here and the extensions are this long, I want to use some go-to-be spray to lay down the hair and hold it on a ponytail. So I'm going to use this small mini blow dryer to dry down the glue. So I hope you get the gist of how this is going to go. So I'm just smoothing it out with the go-to-be so that it can lay flat and look like it's my hair, but it's not my hair. So let's do this on the other side. So we have gone from no ponytail to high ponytail real quick. So if you're not a fan of wigs, I would highly recommend trying out extensions. They are pretty straightforward. They are really nice to use, very lightweight. You also get to add some length and some pop of color while just retaining your hair healthy and nice. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Who is a baldy? Who? Nobody's a baldy here. This just looks like it's growing from my hair. I mean, girl, get you some extensions. So if you've made it this far to the video, kindly subscribe down below. I'll be making more videos in regards to hair, beauty, and also some vlogging. So don't forget to subscribe down below and join the family. Until next time, stay safe, stay sane. Bye.